good now. My father. Papa, your face show, your shoe shine, Papa. Oh God. Wait. My dust you here, Papa. Make I show you the sign of the hero.
Wait.
Papa, walk on top it and pass.
Mmakwara, you know we don't have soap inside.
Papa, leave soap is my clothes, Papa.
It's your clothes that I bought it.
Papa, I bought it and give it to me. Papa, walk on top it, Papa. Yeah, the throwing. Papa, let me see it. Papa, it's only one now. Oh, let me take for the other one.
Yes. This
okay,
is
look at it.
I put one here.
Papa, bend down. This is the sign of a hero. Yes, a champion. You are the champion. Go and bring the 500,000.
Hey.
Why sell 500,000? I know. My school fees is in it.
I know.
Papa, no say you don't take watch up chicken.
Yes.
If you're coming back, branch in your shop. Get chicken.
Not Yahoo. You are going to eat Kilimanjaro rice.
Oh God, Papa.
Yes. I'm going to win that 500,000.
Papa, you have already win. I'm seeing the 500,000.
I will come back victoriously. You know these people.
Yes, man.
You know that I told them to give me the 500,000 because I know I will win already.
I already win. Yes, na Papa.
But they don't like. They say I should come and compete.
Come on.
Let me see go and show them that.
We got those people.
10 crates of beer is nothing.
It's nothing.
Are you with me?
Yes, na Papa.
Yes, I'm going to come back victoriously.
Papa, I already seen the 500,000.
Yes.
I'm seeing it in your hand. Papa, go.
Mmakwara.
Yes, Papa.
Let me know where to stand because
Yes.
they are already trying to remove me.
Yes, Papa.
Are you with me?
Yes.
They are already trying to remove me. So if I waste time, they will remove me.
Papa, go. You're champion. Papa, go. Bring the 500,000.
Yes.
That is my father. Yes, Papa. I know. He will bring the 500,000 and bring it to me.